What is going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? So we picked up two of these new $10 200 million cash explosion tickets, and we're on ticket number 13 and 14. So here's the pack number: 141,000. No, that's 14,123. Sorry about that. And the overall odds are 1 in 3.91. So just wanted to give it a try. Tickets number 13 and 14. And all you have to do in this game is match your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win the prize, reveal a money bag is auto win, reveal a 20x and win 20 times the prize. So let's begin. Let's go symbol hunting. 35, 10, 40, 33, 1, 6, 4, 39, 38, 15, 22, 32, 34, 2, 13, 28, 26, 31, 16, 37, 17, 14, 25, 23, 11. Alright, no symbols. First winning number is a 9. Do we have a 9? We have a 10. Nope. 30. 31. 3. Got a 1, a 2. Nope. 27. 27. 26, 28, 18, 16, 17, no 18, 7, lucky 7, at the 6, nope, last number, come on, 21. 21. Nope. Ticket was a dud. Let's move on. Ticket number 14. First row. 2, 4, 8, 19, 26, 12, 39, 28, 7, 22, 31, 13, 38, 6, 36, 24, 16, 33, 29, 15, last row, come on symbol, 23, 35, 10, 17, and 11. Last spot. Once again, first winning number, 21. Do we have a 21? Nope. 40. Nope. Number 1, where you at? Nope. Number 5, 1 off. 25. Nope, 1 off. 26. 9. Man, this game gives you a bunch of 1-offs. 14. Nope. Looks like we busted today, but that's all right though, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.